Still thinking about joining? You've got 24 hours left. This launch price is never coming back. No second chances. Click now or miss out for good.
Hello everyone, this is Jack Frost with a very quick update for just the Ethereum Technicals. As Lara did an update for XRP, I won't be covering that in this video, and the ad at the beginning of this video is only ever so slightly inaccurate. By the time this video is uploaded, the sale will be up for just under 24 hours, as it closes at 3 PM Eastern Standard Time. On the Ethereum weekly chart, price has continued to decline overall this last completed week, increasing a little bit after price has previously found support at 1750. Though a decline in range and a decline in volume, which you'll see in a second, does not support the upwards movement and indicates some potential weakness. Volume overall continuing to support downwards movement, strongest volume on the bearish candlesticks, a decline for the last completed week, quite a strong decline, indicates some potential weakness as previously mentioned in the short-term upwards movement. ADX continues to increase with a bearish trend that is not extreme and not yet in danger of ending, expecting price to continue overall lower. On balance, volume moves within this weak range, currently giving no signal, though it does just react to support, now having this new support line drawn. RSI is neutral, getting quite close to oversold. After this divergence here, price has continued lower along with RSI. Money flow is quite squarely in neutral territory, right around the 50 mark. Additionally, after this divergence here, money flow has made lower pivots as price has closed lower. ATR has increased for the short term as price declines, giving a bearish outlook for volatility at the weekly time frame. And as this trend indicated by ADX is not yet extreme, it may continue and expects price to continue lower. The trend may continue to where ADX reaches extreme or very extreme conditions and may remain in those conditions before the trend may be in danger of ending. Additionally, RSI and money flow may exhibit some bullish divergence and or enter oversold before the trend may be in danger of ending at the weekly time frame. On the Ethereum daily chart, we see more detail for price's recent declines this last completed week, moving upwards a little bit with some overall sideways movement. We have this flag pattern just here, which expects a downwards breakout as they are usually continuation patterns. This flag has a target calculated around 1432, where if price breaks to the downside, price may continue towards that point. I'm sorry, this trend line is not 100% perfect. It may be altered for the following video. As price has increased, it has fallen ever so slightly short of resistance at 2100, with overall declining range and momentum as price has increased ever so slightly. Volume has also declined very strongly for the last completed week. Some pushes on the bullish candlesticks may indicate some very short-term strength for upwards movement. The overall volume has declined very steadily after the last pushes just here. And overall strongest volume is on the downward sessions, particularly in relation to their neighboring bullish candlesticks. There is only some outliers here, seeing some potential strength for the upwards movement as previously mentioned. ADX continues to decline on the daily time frame, showing no clear trend. On balance, volume moves within this range continuing to provide resistance as it continues. RSI is neutral and increasing after this bullish divergence here. Price has increased ever so slightly, though it has weakness in the upwards movement as mentioned. Money flow is neutral and increasing. ATR is declining for the short term as price increases, previously increasing as price declined, giving a bearish outlook for volatility at the daily timeframe as well as the weekly timeframe. And as ADX does not indicate any clear trend on the daily timeframe, we use the model of stochastics plus support and resistance. This model suggests an upward swing may continue a little bit further towards resistance around 2100, where price may find that resistance point, while stochastics may fully enter overbought. Additionally, it may continue ever so slightly higher towards resistance at 2400, where stochastics may enter not only overbought, but a little bit more deeply overbought, while price finds this resistance point. Please note that we always rely more heavily on the Elliott Wave count for markets like Ethereum, and so if you do want that, we have done an update for that this Tuesday, as we do every Tuesday, at pureelliottwave.com. You can always sign up for that using the link in the description below. And remember that the sale for the new course on pureelliottwave.com is only available for just under 24 hours, probably 22 or 23 by the time this video is up. And so you can get that course today for a discounted price at pureelliottwave.com as well. Thank you, and I hope everyone has a good weekend.